Hey guys, Chris from Float Brackets. Now today we're working on an E-Class wagon. Now this is going to apply to all wagons. I'm going to show you how to install plates, some of the limitations and what to look out for. Let's get into it. Now when it comes to installing plates on wagons, the first thing you're going to notice is that it has the standard factory Mercedes 4-bolt pattern, which makes it a bit tricky to mount number plates onto because the holes won't line up with any number plate in Australia. So you need some sort of adapter to go from plate to car without drilling anything. And I'll show you what we have and how it can help. Now, because we're working with holes on the top and bottom, you need to work out what plate you have and is it taller than your holes. So for example, if you're running a size like that, we call it a standard. This is pretty much a standard size across Australia. These plates are taller than the hole. So what we've done is, in the bracket that you buy, we've already machined the factory holes onto the bracket. This makes it a straight bolt-on solution. We give it the correct screws for the car. By making it bolt-on, you also know it's perfectly center the first time, so that's easy. Another good example are Euro plates. These are 110 tall, so these are also taller than the plate. And the same thing, in our bracket, we already have Mercedes hole pattern to suit the wagon, or basically any Mercedes. That will also bolt straight up, making a straight bolt on. Now, if you're running, say, a slimline like this or like this is wide enough to reach the two sides, but not quite tall enough. So what we've done is we have a bracket to suit the plate, but they're slightly smaller than the holes. So what you need is a Mercedes adapter that first adapts to the 4 holes in the car, which then you can bolt on the bracket. This is manufacturer specific, fits the wagon, and pretty much most Mercedes since 1950 or so. If that has that, you're gonna need that if your plate is too thin. Now, what if I have plates that are too short and not wide enough? For example, these here, they don't reach any of the holes at all. They sort of live in between. Here's another example. This is a signature plate, doesn't reach the holes at all. Another example there. Now, we do have brackets to suit all these plates, but we also have variants. It's an extended version with the holes inbuilt. And I'll show you a few examples. So with small number plates, of course, we have a bracket to suit this, but with small number plates, we always make this in maybe 4 to 10 different sizes so it can reach the factory holes. So for example, this is a 3 to 4 character Victorian plate. This is the bracket to suit. You typically would use this for the front. We also have an extended version. It's the same bracket, except we have extended it so it does have the 4 holes on the bracket, which means you can bolt this onto the car, no drilling required, and the plate will bolt on, making a full bolt-on solution. So we call this a SL4, Slimline 4-4 for the 4 bolts. So as another example, Slimline signature plates, we've got a bracket to suit. We also have a -4 variant, which will have the 4 holes inbuilt into the bracket, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is the extended version. It fits a slimline plate, same thing. Fits the 4 holes onto the car, so it's wide enough and your plate can clip on. And this system carries on to different styles of plates, so you can choose the right plate, making a bolt-on solution. So as a demonstration, I'll just install some Victorian slimlines. These measure 372 by 100. Now this is not tall enough, so I'm gonna need an adapter first, which I'll install. The screw comes with Mercedes screws, which are these ones. I'll screw these in and then we'll go to the next step. I've got the adapter on. Now I need to identify what plate I have, be it Euro, Heritage. Now, because we are working with the slimline, I'll grab a slimline bracket. This will bolt up to the 4 new mounting points that we have, so we can attach a number plate. Now, on pretty much all our brackets, there's actually a little scribe that tells you where to mount the 4 bolts for the adapter, so you know it's going to be straight the first time. And because you're using an adapter and we didn't extend this metal section of the bracket, that allows you to fit any brand number plate that you want, including Ultrex and Kingpin. This is a little Kingpin cover that we have. So we're going to bolt this on using a security screw. Now this is an optional part you can buy, which means you need a key to install the plate and also remove to give a bit more security. that's how you install number plates on an E-Class wagon. The steps are the same for pretty much every wagon. Now, the important thing is to work out what number plate style you have. And when you go find the bracket on the website, it'll tell you if there's a Mercedes-Benz rear adapter option. If that shows and you have a wagon, check that box so you have the adapter and everything will bolt straight on. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.